In this video, we're diving deep into the dog is Human Daily Multivitamin to find out whether it truly lives up to the hype or if it's just another over-marketed pet product. This soft chew supplement is designed for dogs over 3 months old, and while it's getting traction online, we wanted to go beyond the surface and look at the full picture. The product is backed by a verified medical expert, which adds some credibility. And the ingredients list is surprisingly transparent. You can actually see the exact amounts of each component, something most pet supplements don't bother with. It's sold exclusively through the official website, which at least reduces the chances of getting fake or expired stock. And the customer reviews we found appear genuine and detailed rather than suspiciously glowing. However, it's not all perfect. There are a few complaints on Trustpilot, mainly about refund delays and questions around how effective the product really is, especially in dogs with more specific health issues. We also take a closer look at the ingredient quality and dosing to see whether it makes sense from a nutritional standpoint. And while some parts are impressive, others left us unsure whether it's worth the price for every dog. Overall, this isn't a full-on recommendation or a total red flag. The truth seems to lie somewhere in the middle.